Hello everyone and welcome to another TrustLaunch tutorial video. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can trust lock your tokens with our TrustLock contract. Alrighty, so it's super simple to do. What you're going to do first, head over to the website, make sure you're logged in via your wallet, and we're on the testnet, you can be on the mainnet. But what you're going to do is head over on the left-hand side here and create a lock. Now here, if you remember from the previous videos, we created a pencil token launchpad, but we only used about 87 tokens, so we still have, 90% of the supply or more just sitting there in our wallet. And, as a developer, you kind of want to lock away some of those tokens so it eases investors' minds, it builds investor confidence, knowing that you can't just dump those tokens on investors at any time. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to paste my token here, and you can see pencil token here, total supply 1000. I'm going to hit approve. I'm going to go ahead and accept that in my wallet. You can see I have a little thing here, and I'm going to go ahead and approve a spending cap. So the spending cap is what I have left. So I have about 914 tokens. Again, that's because I used 87 of them for the launchpad. Go ahead and hit next, hit approve, and we're waiting for that to confirm. And what we're doing is we're just locking these tokens. We're physically locking these tokens in a contract where they cannot be removed for any reason whatsoever. Now you have to really think about how many tokens you're going to lock and why you're going to want to lock these tokens, because if you do need access to them, you are SOL. And you can Google that abbreviation, but what it means is you are stuck. You cannot get those tokens out. So we're going to go ahead and set up a lock here. We're going to lock it pencil token lock, and I'm going to click here, add a row. You can import data here. You can create vesting, so you can have it unlock. Actually, what we'll do, and you can clear table. Let's go ahead and create a vesting period. And what we're going to do is we're going to do 10 periods, and we're going to lock 900 tokens. Let's do 9 periods. Keep it nice and easy. And we're going to do 30 days each. Actually, we're going to do 100 tokens each period, so 900 tokens total. And so 100 periods will be 100 tokens will be released every 30 days for a total of 9 periods. And let's go ahead and click Save Vesting, and it automatically updates in here. So you can see here 30, 60, 90, incremental by 30, and the amount of tokens 100. And actually, maybe I don't want to do that. You can go ahead and clear table, and let's just add a row. Let's just do 100 days, 900 tokens. Right? So you can kind of do what you want, and you see your balance here, so you can play with that. But it's that easy, and we go ahead and create the lock. It's approving that in our TrustLaunch in our MetaMask wallet here. Again, you can't see that, but it's just asking me to confirm the transaction. And that is it. Now we can go ahead and make edits. So this is the last chance. So let's say, oh my goodness, I can't believe I just did that. I made a mistake. It's not too late, guys. We can change it. We can change it. Let's have it unlock August 20th, and instead of the 5th. So about 100 and something, 100 and like 15 days instead. I don't know why, but let's just do that. And let's do the whole amount. So let's do 914.244, the exact balance of tokens. And we're going to go ahead and click Edit Lock. We have to approve that again. Thankfully, we can approve that. And lastly, we're going to hit Finish Setup. Just waiting for that transaction to confirm there. And it's redirecting us. And now you can see I have a balance of 0. If I change this and I remove this, it will automatically send me tokens back to my wallet. And now we're just going to go ahead and click Finish Setup. And it's going to ask you to confirm here. So TrustLaunch.com says, are you sure you will not be able to modify this lock later? So for 115 days, these tokens will be locked and will not be accessible, right? I think we give you guys plenty of notice to let you know that this is for sure locked, and we hit OK. And voila, just hit confirm on our wallet, and this token is locked. And there's nothing you can do about it. It is completely finished, and we can go and view that lock. So if you go here, you can view my locks. You see I have a few different locks, and I'm just going to go ahead and click, which one was it? Pencil token. We'll click that view here. And I can extend this, but I cannot shrink it. So I'll show you guys, I'll mess around here. Let's say I changed it back to the 5th. I hit save. It asks me to confirm, and I confirm, and everything goes, but the transaction does not go through. You will see it will not work because it is locked in. And of course, see, there we go, right back to the 20th. The transaction was confirmed, but it did not change anything. And you can see it unlocks to this wallet here, and the remaining time is right here. Now, if I wanted to extend that, I could change that to maybe the 21st, 22nd, 21st. Doesn't matter, but you can always extend it. You can just never reduce the amount of time. Right, and that is everything there is to locking your tokens with the Trust Lock. So I hope that explained everything for you guys, and we'll stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.